across screens, across cultures. AI Story is a youth-led project that uses dialogue and creative storytelling to strengthen human connection in the age of AI. This short presentation introduced the challenges, the project model, and the impact it can create in diverse communities. We live in a world more connected than ever. We can speak across continents in seconds. We can translate words instantly. But connection is not always understanding. Today, young people are already connected across screens, languages, and platforms. Intellectual dialogue matters because culture shapes meaning and trust is built not by technology alone. Across cultures, dialogue is more than the exchanging information. It is listening beyond assumption, asking questions with care, and making space for different ways of seeing the world. This project invites us to explore what human connection means now. How can we use technology wisely while keeping the dialogue deeply human? Let's learn across cultures, across differences, and across the digital divide. The AI Story Lab combines four elements: dialogue circles, AI literacy, collaborative digital storytelling, and a public community showcase. Participants use AI tools where they are helpful, such as translation or subtitles, but they also question bias, ethics, and where human judgment matters most. The process is simple and feasible. First, recruit a diverse and youth cohort. Second, provide short training in dialogue, facilitation, and ethical use AI. Third, support participants to create shared stories and conversations. Finally, share the outcomes through a public event and practical toolkit that others can adapt. This project can deliver visible impact in a short time while remaining scalable. It strengthens inclusion, builds youth leadership and AI literacy, and helps communities move from digital contact to meaningful human connection. In short, AI may shape communication, but only people can build understanding and cross cultures. Thank you.